This video tutorial I will explain how to write the producer code using Java, and also we will see how to publish message to Kafka topic using producer. To create Kafka Producer in Java, we have to follow 4 steps. The first step is we have to create producer properties. The second step is we have to create producer, and third step is we have to create producer record. Then fourth step is send the data. We will see how to do that. First I am going to start the Zookeeper server, and it is successfully started. Next I am going to start the Kafka server, and it is started successfully. Next I am going to create animal topic. So using this command I am creating animal topic with 3 partition, and replication factor as 1, and here you can see animal topic is created. Here you can see Kafka demo project, and it has Kafka Producer demo Java file, and here you can see pom.xml file, and in pom.xml file I have included the dependency of Kafka client and SL4J. Here I have defined the class Kafka Producer demo, and inside main method I am creating producer properties. Here I have created a properties object, and I am setting bootstrap server config, which is IP address and port number of Kafka server, and key serializer, then value serializer. Then I am creating a producer object, and in Kafka producer constructor I am passing the producer properties, and here I am calling get animal list method, and this method returns list of animals. Then using for each loop I am getting each animal name from animal list, and sending the animal name to the Kafka topic. And inside this for loop I am creating a producer record, and in producer record constructor I am passing the topic name. The topic name is animal topic which we have created, and then I am passing the animal name. And once producer record is created, using send method of producer object I am sending producer record to the Kafka topic. Then I am printing this message, and before send next message I put sleep for 4000 milliseconds, and in finally block I am calling flush method of producer and close method of producer. Now what I am going to do is I am going to start the consumer, which will listen the animal topic, and this consumer is listening the animal topic. Run this Java program, and it send the message doc to the animal topic, and here you can see it is consuming the messages one by one: dog, lion, tiger, snake, and cat. And it published 5 messages, which is animal name, and All the published messages are consumed here. In the example we have seen, we have used three producer properties: bootstrap servers, key serializer, and value serializer. To create Kafka Producer, we need to create the object of Kafka Producer. And in order to send data to Kafka, we need to create a producer record. And in producer record constructor, we have to specify the topic name and the message value. And in this case, key is assumed to be null. And using send method of producer object, we can send data to the Kafka. The data produced by producer is asynchronous. Therefore, we need two additional methods, which are flush and close. These methods are required to ensure the producer is shut down after the message is sent to the Kafka. The flush method will force all the data that was in send method to be produced, and the close method stops the producer. If these methods are not executed, the data will be never sent to the Kafka, because main Java thread will exit before data are flushed. You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description, click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.